Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Aries. Aries people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Aries, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. Ten of Swords. Aries, this is your current energy. Oh my god, and this is your partner's current energy. Four of Wands. Now let's talk about your current energy first. Okay. Aries, I feel that you have been through some tough time in life. Okay, you have been transformed, or perhaps you are transforming your life, transforming your mindset, transforming your soul. Some transformation is happening for you, or some transformation has happened for you, right? Somebody has shaken up your world upside down. Somebody has did wrong with you, but believe me, whatever they did with you, it was all meant to be. Okay, it was all for the sake of your goodness, for the sake of your betterment. So whoever done anything with you, that was completely in a positive way. Okay, that thing has transformed you, that thing has evolved you. Perhaps you are going through tough time right now, you don't understand what I'm trying to say, but yes, eventually you will understand whatever happened with you in past, that happened for some reason. There is no coincidences, right? So whatever happens for a reason. There is a reason behind everything. So if somebody has dished you, or somebody has cheated on you, or somebody has did wrong with you, whatever they did with you, or whatever had happened with you in past, that was meant to be like that way only. Because I feel that divine wants you to evolve. I feel that divine wants you to transform yourself. Okay, so you are going through some kind of a transformation journey, or your transformation has been done. Your old patterns of life, your negative patterns of life, your old bad behaviors, right? That all are dead. That all are dead. Okay, so now you are looking at life in a new perspective. You have a new vision towards your life, right? So Aries, this is your current energy with 10 of Swords. Now let's talk about your partner's current energy. Four of Wands. Okay. Uh, with this card, I feel that your person is manifesting something in their life. They are being determined towards something. They want to, or they are attracting something in their life. It could be anything. It could be their dream job. It could be their dream career. It could be their dream home. It could be anything. Or perhaps they are manifesting you. It could also happen, because majorly I feel that they are manifesting you, because I'm seeing with this Four of Wands card some marriage is taking place, or some celebration is taking place. So I have a strong feeling that they are manifesting you. Okay, they truly wants you, right? Because they really want to have something with you. They really want to give some solid commitments to you. Perhaps they want to marry you. So what, I mean, anything can be happen, but majorly I feel that they are manifesting you. Now let's see how you see them and how they see you. Knight of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. Okay. So Aries, with this Knight of Pentacles card, I feel that you see them as somebody who is who takes their own time to move ahead in life. Okay, They are not the one who takes a decision in hustle bustle. They just take their own time. They just analyze all the outcomes. They just analyze all the consequences which comes together with their decisions, okay, be it good, bad, or ugly. So with this Knight of Pentacles, you see them as somebody who takes their own time to think, who takes their own time to come on a conclusion, okay. They are someone who never shows what is there in their mind. They are somebody who never disclose what what's going to be their next move, okay. When they are silent, they are preparing. So you see them as somebody who never tells their secret to anyone. On the other hand, Five of Pentacles. Your person sees you as somebody who is heartbroken, who is left out by your own people, who is dished by your own people. Okay, they see you as somebody who has no emotional connection with anyone, even though you are physically present at that point of time, but mentally you are somewhere else. Something is bothering you, something is disheartening you, something, you feel dished, you feel left out, you feel cold. Perhaps your own people has left you out, right? So they see you as somebody who is a completely alone person or a lonely person. So this card is for how you think about them and how you feel about them. So we have Three of Wands. Three of Wands. Now let's see how they feel about you. King of Wands. Wow. Pentacles, Pentacles. Wands, Wands. So you feel about them or you think about them with this Three of Wands card as they are somebody who really wants to move out, okay. Perhaps they really want to shift somewhere else, or perhaps they are somebody who is waiting for their correct time to move ahead in life. As I told you, that you see them as somebody who takes their own time, who never takes decision in hustle bustle, who takes their own time to analyze all the things, all the consequences which is attached with their decision. So with this Three of Wands card, you think about them as somebody who is eagerly waiting for something. See, there are so many ships. There are so many ships in this river, but this person is not moving anywhere. Perhaps he or she, it could be anyone, okay. So perhaps they feel that this is not their calling, this is not the right time to move ahead. If they'll move ahead, they'll definitely going to create a mess for themselves and the people who are attached with them. So they are being somebody who has a lot of patience. They are being somebody who know when the time will be correct, all the things will take place, okay. On the other hand, your person thinks about you as somebody you are, for them you are king, right, who has wand in their hand, who has the authority to take action, who has the ability to take action, okay. Being a king, you are not allowed to show your emotions, right? And that's how your person thinks about you. Perhaps you have you know uh, put a mask on your face, that you have a mask on your face that you are somebody who has a lot of authority in life, okay. You are like a king, okay. You have authority, you have power, you have money, you have luxury, you have all the best things of the world. But at the end of the day, when it comes to you, okay, your person thinks about you that this person has a lot of authority, but something is missing in their life. Something is there which they genuinely miss. Okay, so even though you are working really hard, you are working very well, but at some point of time you feel that why can't I change that part of my life? It could be anything, it could be emotions, it could be love part, it could be their family bondings, it could be their bondings with their subordinates, with their colleagues, with their friends, with their loved ones. So when it comes to an emotional connection, they feel that I am doing very well in life. Okay, but why I can't take any action towards this direction? So that's how your partner thinks about you. All right, now let's see, Aries, how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. Oh my god, oh my god. And how they feel in this relationship. The Magician. So we have Wheel of Fortune. Okay, Aries people, I believe that with this Wheel of Fortune cards, you feel about this relationship as your good time has started. Your good time has started, because Wheel of Fortune is saying that your time has come. Eventually you are also thinking in that way, that okay, if I am with this person I am safe, if I am this with this person I am feeling complete, if I am with this person I am happy, I cherish this person's presence, I feel joy. Okay, so at somewhere in your heart or somewhere in your mind, you know and you feel that yes, this is the person, yes, this is my person, yes, my time has come. So yes, Wheel of Fortune is telling me that your time has come. Whatever you have been through in life due to your Ten of Swords card, that energy has been over. Transformation has been done. Your time has come, right? On the other hand, we have the Magician. Aries, your person feels about you as somebody you are, I mean, they think about this relationship or they feel in this relationship as they are the magician. They can create magic in this relationship. They are somebody who has all these skills to make this relationship a beautiful relationship. Okay, they know how, all the tactics, they know how to please you, they know how to care for you, they know how to show you love, they know how and when to stop you. And they are somebody who knows that you are emotionally drained, you are emotionally empty, void, so they know how to heal your heart, how to heal your mind. Okay, so they are playing magician character very well, right? Now let's see, Aries, what's going to be the future potential for you. What's going to be the future potential for Aries? Oh god, a lot of cards. Future potential for Aries. Seven of Pentacles. Aries people, in future I feel it's you. Seven of Pentacles. Perhaps your person is planning to give you something solid or something very big in this relationship, but it's you who will be thinking about your past life or about your uh, past experiences of life. Okay, perhaps you are being somebody who is just observing or just checking or just seeing whatever you have earned so far in life. Okay, plus you have this wand in your hand but you are not taking any action. So perhaps they are approaching towards your They'll plan to approach towards you, but it's you who's not ready to accept this relationship right now. Or I would say you are not ready to be in this relationship right now. So future is saying that you will take time to think about this person, to think about this relationship, because as I told you in the beginning of this reading, you are being somebody who has been transformed. Now you just do not, I mean, I feel that you don't want to go through that bad phases again. Okay, that's why you are taking your own time. Okay, but you need not to worry, wheel of fortune is in your favor. Now let's see what angels are trying to tell you. Okay, so many cards. Let's see angels messages for you. Okay, I'll take. Meditation brings answer. Okay. Aries people, angels are asking you to do meditation. And when you start doing meditation, all the answers will come to you naturally. Right? Because whatever had happened in past, you can't change it. Past cannot be changed. All you can do is to pray for your future and enjoy your today. Right? Okay. So Aries, I feel that some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this 10 of swords. We have earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Knight of Pentacles, 5 of Pentacles, 7 of Pentacles. Some of you could be dealing with another fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this 3 of Wands, 4 of Wands, King of Wands. Right? So Aries, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.